This is a water filtration process. These are water filtration machines that you are seeing here. This is how you set. This is the cage that you see, how you cage it, and the water comes from this machine. I will show you how we filter water here, and it is ready to be used. Now follow me as I show you. Now, as I have told you, I will show you how we filter water here. As you see, this tank, water is pumped into this tank by the pump. This is now a tank. Water gets into this tank through a certain process. This is used to, this water now gets into this machine. As you see, these are the membranes here. These are the membranes. First, as water comes from that tank that you see there, it gets into this chamber that contains sand. This chamber, as water comes into this chamber, it is filtered. Then it has some features into this tank. As the water goes through this chamber, then the sand settles down into this chamber. Then water comes onto the top. Now water comes back under these membranes that contains some features that filters water. Then under this there is a carbon chamber here. Now water, through the different chemicals, water is now chemically mixed under this chamber that is in between that you see here. This one is a chamber that contains chemicals like chlorine. Now chlorine is mixed into this chamber by the water. Now this chemical now come back into these chambers that you see here. This chamber has, as you see, there is the arrow, forward arrow, then back arrow, forward arrow, then back arrow. Those arrows are important. You should observe those arrows keenly as you go through this process. Now follow me as I show you. This is the chamber that is called a resin. As you see here, this one is a resin chamber. Resin chamber, as the water goes through those membranes that I have shown you behind it, now it is almost being ready to be used. Now this chamber that is called resin, now here water is almost ready to be used. As you see, there is a certain chamber here. As you see, this is now a clear picture that I am showing you here. After the water goes through those processes, three of them, and this membrane, it gets into this tank. Then you see here. Okay, I'm back. I was going through this process as I show you bit by bit. As you see, these are the pressure gauges. This one shows you, this one is the pressure after filtration. Now, as the water gets under this filtration, now this one is the gauge that you see. You observe how it goes from 0 to 150. Here, from 0 to 150. Now, this is the raw water pressure gauge. Raw water means the water that has been reused. This is the dirty water, the raw water. We call it dirty water. After the water has gone through these certain processes, there is a clean water and there is a dirty water. This is the pressure gauges that you see. This one is the pressure that is for dirty water, and this one is for clean water. As you observe, this is clean and this one is somehow dirty. Now you come under this pressure gauge. This is the concentrate pressure gauge. As the water goes through those filtration, those concentrate that are inside these machines, these chambers. Now this is the pressure. It's okay. Now I have shown you. Now these are the buttons that you are seeing. There is a green, then red. As you switch on this electricity, now you come and press this button. This one shows that you are starting to run the machine. It's okay. Now these ones, This one shows how the chambers are working. It is labeled, or this labeled from the arrows. You see these are the arrows that you are seeing. Now it's okay. Now the filtration machine have explained to you, and I have here there are the motors that run this machine. This one are the motors, as you see. Those two ones are the motors that runs this machine. It's okay. It's okay. Now I'm here down. This is the serving machine, as you see. As you see, that guy is packing the water. Now the water, after going through that filtration, it comes onto this serving machine. Now here is where we collect this water and pack them onto these bottles, as you see this from down. Now these are the bottles that they have been filled by water. This one is now clean water that is ready to be used. Now from here they are being transported to different industries for use. Now as you are seeing there, that guy is packing the water. As you see, he is carrying and assembling them, ready to be transported. Here is also a serving machine, as you see. This one is also can serve the same function as that one that you are seeing there. Thank you for listening to me. Thank you.